In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add your guides onto a Quark document. And here I've set up a simple Quark document, 4 pages, 3 spreads, and I'll go up to the window menu and down to Guides. Move the panel to the right, and here are my 3 spreads. Spread 1, page 1, spread 2, page 2 and 3, and spread 3, page 4. I'll click on spread 2. Click on the plus button in the top left hand corner, type in a number, let's say 100 mil. I'll leave the default, so this is vertical and page, etc. I'll do OK, and there's my guide. And whilst it's listed, I can double click and I'll change it to say 80 mil. See, and it moves. Change the color if I so wish, and hide or show and so on. And what's particularly nice is I can change it. At the moment it's a vertical guide, but I can change it from vertical to horizontal, and I can change it. At the moment it's only spreading on 1 page, but I can change it from page, which it is at the moment, to spread, which is quite useful. And I can also copy it to the other pages, so I can click and drag it to spread 1. There it is on page 1, and click and drag down to spread 3, and there it is on all of them. And if I wish to delete something, I can just click on it, right mouse click on it, and delete guide. Nice, simple, straightforward. How to create guides within your QuarkXPress document. And if you wanted to as well, if I click on the plus button, I can add, let's say, one at 50, and I'll do it vertical, add one at 100, add, do OK. And there you go. I've added 2 without coming out of the add guide panel. That's what the add does. So it saves me having to do a number, do OK, go back in, do it OK. I can do several at once, which is quite nice. And I'll cancel that. And so that's how you quickly add your guides into your Quark document.